Here are 7 reasons why Nvidia could skyrocket to $300. In this video, I'll touch on 3 things. Number 1, we'll talk about the latest news. Number 2, show you the ratings within Tykr. And number 3, I'll let you know what I plan on doing with this stock. And just so you know, if you want to see the ratings on Nvidia and more, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get started. Number 1, the latest news. So here we go. The market cap right now is somewhere around $4.6 trillion. Now, there are a lot of people out there that kind of freak out about market cap. They feel like it can't go any higher. To give context there, around 2017, people were saying there's no way a business is going to hit a 1 trillion market cap. Well, in 2018, Apple was the first. Soon after, there were more businesses that hit 1 trillion, then a few that hit 2 trillion, then 3 trillion, then 4. Well, overall, market cap is not a limiter for how much businesses can grow. In fact, large financial institutions really don't care. What they care about most is EPS. That's the profits of the company. There's a few other things to pay attention to, and we'll touch on that in a second within Tykr, but EPS is the number 1 most important thing to pay attention to. Again, profits. As profits increase, in most cases, not all, but most cases, the share price increases. And when the EPS decreases, in most cases, not all cases, but most, the share price will decrease. So keep that in mind. It's profits that matter, not market cap that matters. Another big win in the news is Nvidia and Anthropic working together, scaling the Grace Blackwell systems. Another point here is Nvidia announced a partnership with Dassault Systems to build industrial AI platforms for virtual twins. So what does Dassault do? Well, I had to do a little homework on them. They're really focused on 3D experiences. In fact, they're called the 3D Experience Company. In fact, here's a quote I found online. It says, while you might not interact with their software directly, it is almost certain that the car you drive, the plane you fly in, and many of the products in your home were designed, tested, and manufactured using their technology. Sounds like Dassault has a massive footprint around the world, and Nvidia is going to be working with them. It's a great place to be. And then next up here, Oracle and the US Department of Energy are building Solstice, a massive AI supercomputer featuring 100,000 Nvidia Blackwell GPUs. That's a massive contract, so good news for Nvidia investors there. All right, so let's get to those 7 things that I'm looking at that could skyrocket this stock. We're going to take a look at Tykr. All right, we're going to use an easy button feature in Tykr we call this 7. There's a few metrics to pay attention to. We're going to kind of go through this manually. I won't spend too much time here, but before we get to that, if you are curious, you can go to tykr.com. You can go to education and then down to calculations. You can see the open source calculations on Tykr. This is one thing that really separates us from other platforms on the market. We don't want to create a black box and hide things from you. We want to be transparent so you know how these ratings are achieved. All right, starting with the first point of the 7 as we look at that summary, stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. It's really inspired by the traffic light. In other words, it's green, gray, or red. And we can see here that Nvidia is on sale. So how do you get to on sale? Well, there's 2 things to pay attention to. These are the next 2 steps in the process. Number 1 is the score. We want to see a score of 50 or higher. That's the overall financial strength of a stock. So we're looking at revenue, net income, EPS, free cash, liabilities, debts, and a few other lines. The higher the score, the safer the investment. So in this case, Nvidia is at a 77. Very strong financials. Then the other step we look at is the margin of safety. You want to see a margin of safety of 50% or higher. That's driven by that EPS we talked about earlier. If the EPS is increasing, you're going to see a very high margin of safety. If the EPS is flat or decreasing, you're going to see a very low margin of safety. So we can see here, Nvidia is at 80%. So to summarize, with that summary, you want to see a 50 or higher on the score and a 50% or higher on the margin of safety. In this case, we check those boxes. That is why Nvidia is on sale. Next up, we look at the middle, little help from AI here. It's called the 4M Confidence Booster. To show you what this looks like, looking at my screen, you can see the 4M Confidence Booster. We want to see an 80 or higher. In this case, Nvidia is at 93. And just give you a quick preview of what this looks like. Here are the 4Ms. You get the math part, which is that summary, score, and margin of safety. Then you have the meaning. That's the business model, how the business makes money and how scalable the revenue streams are. Then you have the moat. That's how the business compares to other businesses in the same same sector and industry. And then you have the management, that's the track record of the CEO. Now, doing an analysis on the 4Ms manually could take you hours, if not days. In this case, we reduce it down to seconds with the scoring system. Again, you want to look for 80 or higher, which is very hard to achieve. In this case, Nvidia is at 93. All right, next step, 5-year returns. We know that past performance does not guarantee future results, which is why we look at 5 years, not 1 year. And a good number to memorize is 80%. Typically, the S&P 500 returns about 80% over 5 years. So we, as investors, we like to find stocks that are beating 80% over 5 years. In this case, Nvidia is over 1,000% returns over 5 years. All right, we're almost done. 2 more steps in the process. Financials. Again, I mentioned EPS a few times. This is what we're looking for. We want to see a steep increase of financials. We see a short pullback a few months ago, but they continued on their track record here of increasing the EPS. And we're going to get a point here out of the 7 if you have 3 quarters in a row. You can see here we're at 77 cents, up to $1.08, and then up to $1.31. We like businesses that are increasing the revenue, but what's even better, and this is what financial institutions care about most, is yes, the revenues are increasing, but the EPS is increasing with it. There are a lot of businesses that make the mistake of increasing revenue, and they hire all these people, so those profit margins are next to nothing. That is not an investable business. We want to see the profits skyrocketing, and that is what creates an investable business. All right, one more step in the process. We're jumping to the earnings calendar. We want to see 3 quarters in a row where they're beating those earnings estimates. In this case, we can see exactly that. I'm also going to rewind the clocks back here and just scroll down. Their last miss looks like 2022. So it's been a few years since they even had a miss on their financial statements. So we're going to go ahead and click on the 7. I think you guys know the answer to this question already. What is that score? And that score is 7 out of 7. To give you context here, out of the close to 60,000 stocks in Tykr, only about 20 to 30 actually have a score as 7 out of 7. And Nvidia happens to be one of those stocks. So those are 7 reasons why I believe this stock could skyrocket to $300 a share. All right, moving on to the last point of this video, which is, what am I doing with this stock? Well, I'm a shareholder of Nvidia. I'm going to use this opportunity to buy more. If you want to see the ratings on Nvidia and other stocks in the market, you can join Tykr for free. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. And of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.